5 outdoor activities that boost your mood. Spending time outdoors can have awesome healing powers on your mood. Maybe it's the feel of the air, the sounds of the birds, or the sunshine beating down on your skin. But every aspect of being outdoors can be a lovely boost to your mood. The space outside is waiting for you to explore. Don't miss out on the opportunity to connect with nature just because you're feeling down in the dumps. Walk out your front door to see what all the fuss is about. The great outdoors is full of beauty and wonder that can turn your bad day into one that you look forward to repeating again. Try these activities when you want to lighten your mood. Go outside and just sit in the sun. Have you ever noticed how the warm sunshine feels on a beautiful summer day? There's really nothing quite like it. The sunshine is a free resource that can make your whole day shine just a little bit brighter. Be one with the birds. Birdwatching can totally relax you. It's so relaxing that you might find yourself spending hours just sitting and listening to them chirp. When you go birdwatching, grab your binoculars and a snack for yourself, as you're certain to spend quite some time out there looking at all the different varieties of birds. Take a quick hike. Get rid of some stress and lighten your mood quickly with a short hike. State parks offer some great trails that can give you many hiking options. You can also go hiking in your neighborhood if you're not able to get away to a park. Make it as easy as possible for yourself so that you don't put up obstacles that you have to overcome in order to enjoy hiking. Have a picnic. Picnics are the best. Pack up some handy snacks, fun drinks, and get outside and eat. Don't forget the blanket and book so you can soak up the sun as well. Having a picnic and surrounding yourself with a few of your favorite things is a fun, easy way to forget your worries and lighten your mood. Go on a camping trip. Sitting around a campfire and eating s'mores can do wonders. All you really need to go camping is a tent and a few other items. The rest is all downhill. Camping by yourself is fun, but this might be one outdoor activity where you invite others along as well. Let the great outdoors boost your mood with these simple ideas. All of these outdoor activities are inexpensive, easy to do, and super simple to make happen. When it comes to taking care of yourself and your mood, reconnecting with the simplicity of the earth often fits the bill. The outdoors offers so many ways to boost your mental and physical health that you can't help but to feel better. Imagine how much better you'd feel if you started getting outside for at least 15 minutes each day. More than likely, you'd notice a genuine, positive effect on your mood and lifestyle. All you have to do is step outside your door to get started. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.